Governor Gavin Newsom says he wants full compliance by the end of next month. Many counties and other states across the country have made some similar announcements regarding state employees, but this requirement is a little different here, particularly when it comes to healthcare workers. Governor Newsom says California is the first state to implement a vaccine verification system for public and private healthcare workers. No one will lose their job if they refuse a vaccine. However, if a healthcare worker is not fully vaccinated, they will be required to test for COVID-19. In a hospital setting, those workers will test twice a week. In a smaller, less vulnerable setting, say like a doctor's or dentist's office, those workers will test only once a week. Governor Newsom says this announcement is a result of the growing threat of COVID-19's Delta variant, which is now accounting for 80% of California's new infections. He says misinformation about the vaccine is preventing people from getting their shots, and the state wants to end that.
We're exhausted by the Ron Johnsons and the Tucker Carlsons. We're exhausted by the Marjorie Taylor Greens. We're exhausted by the right-wing echo chamber that has been perpetuating misinformation around the vaccine and its efficacy and safety. We're exhausted by the politicalization of this pandemic, and that includes mask wearing that has been equated to the Holocaust. It's disgraceful, it's unconstitutional, it's unconscionable.
75% of the state's eligible population has received at least one dose of the vaccine. Statewide, the positive testing rate is now at 5.2%. That's compared to 0.7% last month. Hospitalizations also up, approaching 3,000 patients. Last month, that number was at about 900 patients. Governor Newsom says these changes will not apply to teachers because teachers are not considered state employees. However, individual businesses, companies, and school districts can implement their own requirements. They are also allowed to make restrictions that are more strict than the state. Reporting live in the newsroom, I'm James Torres, KTVU, Fox 2 News.
All right, big